Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's eye makeup is inspired by a Pinterest look that I found. I noticed that the combination of blue and brown eyeshadows with a touch of glitter is incredibly stunning for the winter season. So if you want to recreate this eye makeup look, make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using the brown eyeshadow from this palette and applying it to the outer corner of my eyelid with a fluffy brush. Make sure to take your time with this step and blend the shadow well with sweeping motions to ensure there are no harsh lines. You can gradually apply the shadow only to the outer part of your eyelid to make it look more bold. I believe that brown eyeshadow pairs beautifully with any color. For this eye makeup look, you can use your favorite eyeshadow palette. I'll provide the details of the products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. Also, I continue with the remaining shadow on my brush from the crease towards the inner corner of my eyelids. For the next step, I'm using a combination of these two special shades of light and dark blue. This time, I switched to a flat straight brush and applied the shadow to the inner corner of my eyelid. Be careful during this step, just like when you are applying the cut crease technique, but this time follow your natural crease and extend the shadow to the middle of the eyelid. I fall in love with this color combination and I'm sure if you try it once, you will love it too. You can also choose to use a lighter or darker blue based on your preference. Both options are stunning. Next, I used the brown eyeshadow again, but this time we will repeat the same shades we applied on the eyelid. On the lower lash line, using a small brush, apply the brown shadow only to the outer corner of the lower lash line and blend it towards the middle. I decided to use the light blue eyeshadow for the inner corner of my lower lash line. This eye makeup look is very easy and you can even get creative by mixing different colors to make it your own. Then I apply a small amount of dark blue eyeshadow to the middle of my lower lash line using a small flat brush. Although this palette has glitter eyeshadows, I prefer to use loose glitter. You can use any type of glitter eyeshadow that you find easier. I apply the glitter to the inner corner of my lower lash line and using a glitter eyeliner brush, create a curved line on my eyelid. This contrast between the eyeshadow and the glitter makes the eye makeup unique. To finish the eye makeup, I use eyeliner. This eye makeup looks amazing with dark brown eyeliner. I usually extend the eyeliner to the middle of my eyelid, but you can extend it to the inner corner based on your preference. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial so far. If you found it helpful, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below, or feel free to share it with your friends. If you're interested in makeup and beauty content, you can check out my channel. I post tutorial videos with various styles every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss any upcoming videos. I truly appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.